Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the ZTE Nubia Z80 Ultra and the OnePlus 15. Both pack flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processors, but who nails the display experience with blazing refresh rates and eye protection? Which camera setup truly dominates with insane zoom and video capabilities? Can the battery life and charging tech keep up with your daily grind? And what about those killer special features like gaming engines and AI-powered tools? Stick around as we dissect these giants feature by feature. So, who really deserves your wallet? The Nubia Ultra's insane brightness or the OnePlus 15's Dolby Vision flair? What's your pick? Starting with displays, the Nubia Z80 Ultra boasts a slightly larger 6.85-inch AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 2000 nits and HDR10 support, perfect for outdoor visibility and vivid colors. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 15's 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED offers a higher 165 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision plus HDR10+, delivering smoother motion and richer HDR effects. Nubia's 3000 Hz touch sampling rate versus OnePlus's 13% higher brightness and TÜV Rheinland eye protection certification makes this a battle between raw brightness and eye comfort tech. Both phones run on the same powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with identical octa-core CPU configurations and Adreno 840 GPUs. This means when it comes to sheer processing power and graphics performance, they are on equal footing, promising flagship-level speed and gaming prowess without compromise. The Nubia Z80 Ultra shines with its Red Magic gaming engine, advanced liquid metal cooling, and an innovative dual-stage physical button for tactile control. On the other hand, the OnePlus 15 impresses with its MindSpace app, AI Plus Mind for capturing info seamlessly, and the Plus Key AI button for quick smart actions. Nubia focuses on hardcore gaming and cooling, while OnePlus leans into AI multitasking and audio quality. In camera hardware, Nubia's triple setup includes a 50MP main sensor with OIS and a 64MP periscope telephoto offering 2.7x optical zoom, great for versatile shooting. OnePlus counters with three 50MP sensors, including a 3.5x periscope telephoto lens, giving it an edge in zoom reach and detail capture. For video, Nubia supports 4K at 120 FPS and HDR10, while OnePlus adds Dolby Vision and Ultra Slow Motion 1080 at 480 FPS, catering to creative videographers. Nubia's camera arsenal includes a flicker plus laser sensor and 50x lossless zoom, perfect for precision and extreme close-ups, plus the Retro Kit 2.0 for creative photography. OnePlus highlights its laser focus, AI detail boost, and reflection eraser to enhance clarity and remove distractions, making it ideal for clean, sharp shots in tricky lighting. Battery capacity is nearly neck and neck, with Nubia at 7200 mAh and OnePlus slightly higher at 7300 mAh. This means both offer substantial endurance for all-day use, but real-world performance will hinge on software optimization and charging speed. Both devices feature robust IP68, IP69 ratings, making them dust-tight and water-resistant against high-pressure jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This ensures durability and peace of mind for everyday adventures and accidental spills. Memory options are comprehensive for both, with Nubia offering up to 1 TB storage paired with up to 16 GB RAM, and OnePlus matching that but with slightly different RAM and storage combinations. This means plenty of room for apps, games, and media without compromise. Both the ZTE Nubia Z80 Ultra and OnePlus 15 start at around $800 plus, positioning them competitively in the premium segment. The question remains, does the Nubia's gaming-centric features justify the price, or does OnePlus's AI and display tech offer better bang for your buck?